So after I try to export CRM HubSpot there using the operator admin, which is me, because as admission member I still cannot data in the CRM table. And after I try to select one data student and I try to export, at least uh, there is a white screen after I click export button. Difference of error staging. And I try to select one student and I try to export. This is not display what script and still display table properly. Okay, so it should when I try to uh, export not display like this. So display like this. Okay, so after I click export or button anything, it still display the table or the screen properly here. Okay.